Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Sol Cesto game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So the very first method, what you need to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select, and here select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -tx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -tx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it's working now. But if the game still doesn't launch, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall and network protection. Now click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you have to search or add it. For that, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, then click on check for updates and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. So website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever option you get, just click on it. Now after this is finished, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game once again and then check. But if the issue still continues again and again, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and finally reinstall Sol Cesto game once again and then finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Sol Cesto game crashing at startup, not loading, not launching, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.